In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Alpaca with ChatGPT. Once connected, you can use ChatGPT to explore live and historical market data for stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT and make sure you're signed in. Next, open the plugins section from the left-hand sidebar. Inside the plugins directory, search for Alpaca. Select the official Alpaca plugin and click Install Plugin. Next, click Connect. Once connected, return to ChatGPT and start a new conversation. You can enter a prompt such as, "What is the current price of Apple stock?" You could also ask, "Show me Bitcoin's price history over the past 7 days," or "Show me the latest options chain for Tesla." ChatGPT will use Alpaca's market data to generate a response, and that's how to connect Alpaca with ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.